Right here is 3.9k watch hours I got just from trying this method I'm about to tell you out. So my dear, if you are trying to get your first 4k watch hours, this video is for you. Do well to watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you two different methods you can use to get your watch hours faster, and it's very important you watch the video to the end, because the last method is the most easiest method and fastest method for you to get your watch hours. So do well to watch the video to the end. You don't need to skip any part. The part you might be skipping might be the part you need the most. You might skip a part, and at the end of the day you will not get it right because you did not watch the full video. So my dear, if you want to get it right, you have to watch the video to the end. So if getting your 4k watch hour sound like what you want for your account, my dear, do well to watch the video to the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Comfort Augustine. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. So the first thing, you move to your Apple Store or your Play Store to download Prison app. This Prison live streaming app. So this particular one, this first one, so you click it and download it. You wait for it to process till it is fully downloaded. So once it's downloaded fully, you open the app. So once you open the app, this is the interface you see. So you have to sign in with either your Facebook, your Google, your Apple, any process you want to use in signing in. For me, I'll be using my Gmail. So you can use your Gmail or sign in with your Apple. Any process you want, you can sign in with. So once you are done with that, to bring you to this interface. Once you get to this interface, you see the camera like this, so you swap it. You can see, you swap it. Once you swap it, you see this video and photo. You click on it. So once you click on it, the next thing is for you to select the video you want. But I don't have the video right now, so the next thing, I'll go to my TikTok and search for bridge breaking down AI. Like, I want a very catchy video, so I'll be going for that because it's so catchy. Like a bridge breaking down, the video will be so catchy and it will catch a lot of people's attention. So watch the video to the end. So you can see these are a lot of bridges, different videos of bridges breaking down. So this video is so catchy. No one will come across such video and will just skip. They want to see what's going on. So when you are selecting your video, you must not use this video. You can use any video you want at all, but make sure it's a catchy video, a video that will draw people's attention. So the next thing, I'll go and copy the link. After copying the link, I'll bring it to this Black Holy app. I'll paste the link here and I will download the video. And before downloading the video, you have to give the app a free access to your gallery. So I gave the app a free access to my gallery and the video downloaded. So I need to go back to my gallery, and here's the video without watermark. Make sure when you are downloading the video, make sure you're using the app that you download it without watermark, because you're going to be using it on your YouTube. So the next thing, I'll go back to my Prison app. Once you get your Prison app, it will soon bring you to this interface. So after bringing you to this interface, you still click here and you click on the video and photo. It will bring you to this interface, then you select your video. After selecting your video, to take you to this studio, then you click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. So once you get to this interface, you can see the video. You have to remove the sound so that it doesn't have copyright issue. So after removing the sound, you have to click on this two arrow down there to loop the video so that the video can be playing continuously. So it is very important to loop your video. So after looping the video, the next thing you have to do is to click on this ready icon you are seeing here. So once you click on the ready to bring you to this interface, you click on YouTube. Once you click on YouTube, it will bring you to this interface, which you have to put your stream key. So the next thing you have to do right now is for you to leave this page and go to your Google, Chrome's, any browser at all. So once you get your Google, you type in your YouTube Studio, YouTube Desktop Studio. So it will bring you here, you click on it. After clicking on it to bring you to this interface, press continue to studio. After pressing to continue to studio, it will bring you to this interface. So the next thing now is for you to click on that. You can see that arrow up, then you can see a sign at the middle and a pencil icon. You click on the center. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. So the next you have to select the second option. After you select the second option to bring you to this interface, which you have to also select the second option as well. So after selecting the second option, the next thing to bring you to this interface. So this is where you get your streaming key. So when you get to this interface, the next you have to screw, you have to drag it. Once you drag, you see stream key at the top. The next thing for you is to copy it. So once you click on it, you copy it automatically. So after copying it, you have to go back to your prison app. So once you get your prison app, you paste the stream key you just copied from your YouTube desktop mode. You paste it right here. So after pasting it, you save it. After you're done saving it, it will be saved. Then you can just press go live and that is it. My day can stream for 2 hours, 3 hours, 10 hours. You will just put like to just be playing. With this you get your 4K watch hours. Easy peasy, my dear. I'm not ready to go live, that's why I did not click on it. So if you want to go live and stream, even without you showing your face or without you holding your phone and talking, engaging with people, once you just put it, this video will be playing continuously. That's why it is very important for you to loop your video. When you loop the video, it will continue to play for 10 hours, 11 hours. My dear, if you want to get your 4K watch hours, don't sleep on this. You can go on any platform, Instagram, TikTok, and get any viral catchy video, short clip, and post it. People will be drawn to the video and they'll click to watch it, and with that to gather your 4K watch hours. So let's move to the second method you use to get your 4K watch hours faster. The first thing you have to do, you have to move to your Pinterest app. Once you get to your Pinterest app, allow it to load like this, then to bring it to this interface, you go to the search bar. So you have to search for brain teaser. Brain teaser. So you see a lot of brain teaser, lot of IQ tests, different kind of engaging riddles. So the next thing you have to search for the one you want to go for. Which one do you think would be okay for you? So you have to select. So I found this interesting. This one that says who is the fake shelf. So I have to save it. After saving it will be downloaded directly to your gallery. So the next you move to your CapCut. When you get to your CapCut, you go and choose this edit photo. Then you click on it. Once you click on the edit photo, you go and resize the size of the photo to 9.16. It is very important you reduce the size so that it can fit well on your live stream. So the next thing you save it, then you head back to your YouTube. Once you get to your YouTube, you click on the plus icon, you click on the live, then you click on this sixth icon, you take it to green screen, then you add your photo, which is the photo we edited earlier. After that, you click done, then you click on this pencil icon to add your title. So for us to add our title, go to ChatGPT. Once you get to ChatGPT, you post that photo. Then you ask ChatGPT to give you a title, hashtag, description using this photo that you want to post it on your live stream. It is very important. ChatGPT will give you everything you need. You can see who is a fake chef, only 1% can solve this. When people see something like this, they want to like engage, they want to drop comments, they want to watch the photo and make sure they get it right. So that time they are using on your live stream is counting for you. So you copy the topic, which is the title, then we'll come here, we'll paste it right here. So the next thing, you have to select your audience. You click on it and you select no, it's not made for kids. It's very important to put it's not meant for kids. So after that, you select visibility. Put it on public, not on unlisted. Since it's live, put it on public so that everybody have access to it. The next thing, add your description. So we have to head back to ChatGPT to go and copy the description. After you are done copying the description, you bring it back here and paste it. Copy the hashtag as well and paste it there. So after that, you come to location. You don't need to add any location. If not, YouTube will just shift it to only the people in that location. So don't add location. So after that, you press live and you go live. Once you go live, people will start joining your live, engaging, you start gaining your watch hours, engagements, even subscribers. Many people will love that kind of content and they will want to subscribe to your channel. So my dear, don't sleep on this. With this, you can get your 4K watch hours. And the time you post matters a lot. The time you go live matters a lot. Make sure you go live when your audience are mostly online so that you can get that visibility watch hours you want. I use this very method on this very channel and I gained a lot of watch hours just from posting once because I posted at the right time. So right here is the live stream I did 2 weeks ago. About 1.7 people joined my live stream. That's unusual because I posted at the right time. I posted around that kind of evening time, like night time. And a lot of people are back from work by then. So they joined my live stream, they engage, they interact. Some were even arguing in the comment section that is this one that killed this one is the killer, this one is not the killer. They were engaging, they were spending time, and I gained a lot of watch hours from this. So my dear, don't sleep on this. If you want to get your watch hours faster, just do this. This is very simple. This is very easy as ABC. You want to get your watch hours, my dear, try any of this method out. This is the particular one I used for this my channel and it worked for me. That's why I'm putting it out here. So if you want to gain your watch hours, try it. You can stream for 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. I hope this video was helpful to you and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.